Welcome to our video about saving strategies for beginners. How to start building your emergency fund. In this video, we will discuss some basic tips on saving money and starting an emergency fund to help you deal with unexpected events and financial emergencies. The first step to start building your emergency fund is to track your spending. You need to know how much you earn and how much you spend every month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut expenses and save money. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. Make a list of all your income and expenses and see where you can make cuts. Set a realistic savings goal and make sure to allocate a portion of your income to your emergency fund. Reducing your expenses is a great way to save money. Start by cutting unnecessary spending such as eating out, buying coffee, or subscribing to services you don't really need. Look for cheaper alternatives and be mindful of your spending. One of the best ways to ensure that you save money regularly is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund every month. This will help you stick to your savings plan without even thinking about it. That's it for our video on saving strategies for beginners. How to start building your emergency fund. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but it's a crucial step towards achieving financial stability. Start small and be consistent, and you'll be well on your way to reaching your savings goal.